Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with safety and access. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorting, then open the hood and locate the headlight assembly. Once done, identify the bulb type, H11 in low beam, 9005 in high, so you buy the correct replacement. If the air intake or battery tray blocks reach, remove those parts now and store screws in a labeled bag so you don't waste time searching later. Next, remove the bulb assembly. Rotate the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull straight out to avoid stressing the clip. Unplug the electrical connector by pressing its tab and wiggling gently. Inspect the harness for corrosion or melted insulation so you catch wiring issues early. Compare the old bulb to the new one to confirm match. Do not touch the new bulb glass with bare fingers, because oils cause hot spots and premature failure. Use gloves or a clean cloth. Install the new bulb by inserting it straight into the socket and rotating clockwise until it locks. Then reconnect the electrical plug securely. Once the bulb is seated, reinstall any removed intake or battery tray components and finally reconnect the negative battery terminal. Turn on the lights to test function and check beam alignment at a wall about 6M, 25 ft. If the beam is off or flickers, make sure the connector is tight and the bulb type matches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.